Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use badges in Last Z Survival Shooter. Badges are important equipment that increase your hero's combat power by providing extra stats such as attack, defense, health, and other battle bonuses. Equipping and upgrading the right badges can make a big difference in both PvE and PvP battles. Now let's get started. First, open Last Z Survival Shooter on your device. Once you're in the game, tap your hero menu. Now select the hero you want to improve. Look for the badges or equipment section and tap on it. Here you'll see all the badges available for that hero. Select a badge and tap equip to attach it to your hero. Try to equip higher quality badges whenever possible as they provide better stats and stronger bonuses. If you have upgrade materials, tap the badge and select upgrade or enhance to increase its level and improve its attributes. Make sure you equip badges that match your hero's role. For example, attack-focused heroes benefit more from offensive badges, while tank heroes perform better with defense and health badges. As you progress through the game, continue replacing lower-tier badges with stronger ones and upgrade your best badges regularly to keep your team competitive. You can earn additional badges by completing events, defeating bosses, participating in special game modes, or claiming event rewards whenever they're available. Finally, review your badge setup from time to time and move your strongest badges to the heroes you use most often in battles. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.